Modern country style is a delightful blend of fresh, modern elements and rustic, cozy touches. This style is particularly appealing in kitchens, creating spaces that are both inviting and functional. Imagine a kitchen so cozy that you never want to leave, cooking, chatting, and entertaining guests all in one charming space. Today, we'll explore beautiful modern country kitchen decoration ideas that are sure to inspire you. Creamy modern country kitchen. A beautiful creamy kitchen with vintage-inspired cabinetry, a planked backsplash, gold touches, and neutral countertops. Olive green elegance. A chic olive green kitchen with black and butcher block countertops, a vintage pendant lamp, and shiny knobs for a touch of sophistication. Light stain charm. Light stained cabinets and hardwood floors paired with a white kitchen island, tall stools, and pendant lamps create a welcoming space. Modern French country. Creamy shades, gray stone countertops, elegant lighting, and a tan tile backsplash combine to create a chic French country kitchen. Shaker-style sophistication. A creamy kitchen with shaker-style cabinets, a large island with storage, and gold pendant lamps for a touch of luxury. Light gray elegance. Shaker-style cabinetry, black countertops, built-in appliances, a modern hood, and tall stools in a light gray kitchen. Navy and white delight. White and navy cabinets, butcher block countertops, pendant lamps, and black fixtures create a lovely modern country kitchen. Pale green beauty. Pale green cabinetry, neutral countertops, and tall black stools and sconces make for a chic and inviting kitchen. Dove gray sophistication. A dove gray kitchen with shaker-style cabinets, a large island, pendant lamps, and woven stools for a modern country feel. Light blue serenity. Light blue shaker-style cabinets, white and butcher block countertops, an open metal shelf, and a metal hood. Olive green charm. Olive green cabinets, gray walls, butcher block countertops, and lovely botanical prints make a beautiful and inviting kitchen. White and light gray harmony. White, light blue, and light gray cabinetry, butcher block countertops, wooden beams on the ceiling, and pendant lamps. Cool white elegance. A modern country kitchen with cool white cabinets, a large island with butcher block countertops, pendant lamps, and woven stools. Tiled floor delight. A kitchen with a tiled floor, white cabinets, raised butcher block countertops, a wooden ceiling with beams and window frames. Exposed brick charm. Exposed brick walls, white cabinets, white and butcher block countertops, and laminate flooring for a rustic yet modern look. Subway tile sophistication. Exposed brick, white subway tiles, light gray cabinets, a kitchen island, pendant lamps, and metallic fixtures. Graphite gray elegance. Graphite gray cabinets and a kitchen island, white countertops, a built-in hood, and a glazed wall for a sleek, modern country kitchen. Vintage metal lamp charm. Light gray cabinets, butcher block and white countertops, black fixtures, and a vintage metal lamp for a cozy kitchen. Floating shelves and wood. Shaker-style cabinets, a white subway tile backsplash, a wooden hood, and floating shelves for a functional and stylish kitchen. Shiny subway tile sophistication. White and light gray cabinets, butcher block countertops, a shiny subway tile backsplash, and a pendant lamp. Modern country kitchens are a beautiful blend of contemporary style and rustic charm. These ideas showcase how you can create a space that's both functional and inviting, perfect for cooking, entertaining, and spending time with loved ones. Happy decorating!